Good morning, Chiefs, and good morning to everyone in Springfield and to the people in the Ozarks region. I'm Weatherman Hicks reporting at Kickapoo High School in Springfield, Missouri. And yeah, snow on the first day of December is crazy, but it's going to last maybe 2 to 5 hours depending on how light or moderate these conditions are. There will be a wintry mixed precipitation in the afternoon, but we will still likely be getting widespread snow that can drift in areas along north and south of Interstate 44. Today is going to feel very much like early winter in the Ozarks. We will start off cloudy, cold, and quiet in the morning, but conditions will gradually change throughout the afternoon. For Monday's forecast today, we have a 73% chance of snow, but we will already have some light snow that we've already had since 7 a.m. But this is mainly an afternoon focus event. Snow will start light, but as bands move in from southeastern Kansas and develop overhead, we could see a coating to an inch of accumulation that could eventually involve portions over the southwestern Missouri plains. Slick areas will occur late this afternoon as temperatures hover over 30 degrees. This includes untreated surfaces like bridges, elevated roads, and parking lots. Visibility may drop briefly under heavier snow bursts, and winds will stay light, but the cold air will make it feel like the mid-20s at times. Tonight begins with leftover light snow and flurries, especially before and possibly after 7 through 9 p.m. Roads may become a little slushy, especially in neighborhoods and side streets. After that, skies begin to clear and colder, drier air works in. Temperatures fall over to around 21 degrees, which means any moisture on the roads can freeze. Drivers heading out late or early Tuesday should be cautious of black ice, especially on low-lying areas. Tomorrow and Tuesday will start chilly, but it will improve at times. We begin with some morning clouds, but sunshine becomes more dominant during the day. High temperatures will warm up to around 39 degrees, which will feel significantly nicer compared to Monday. With sunshine and temperatures above freezing, any leftover snow from Monday will melt quickly. Tuesday night stays quiet and mainly clear skies will dip out during the day with temperatures to around 27 degrees. No travel issues will be expected at the time. Wednesday begins with sunshine, but increasing clouds will move in from the plains through the afternoon. Southwestern Missouri and southeastern Kansas will turn mostly cloudier later in the day as moisture increases. Temperatures will stay cool to around 43 degrees, which will feel brisk once the clouds settle in. And then Wednesday night will turn bitterly cold with cloudy skies and temperatures dropping to around 19 degrees. Any melting from earlier in the day may refreeze, so morning drivers should be cautious of patchy slick spots. Thursday will be another cold day with highs around 33 degrees. Clouds dominate early, but the sky may brighten at times during the afternoon. Winds will remain light, but the cold will feel sharp, especially under cloud cover. This is where the pattern becomes more concerning. Moisture increases Thursday evening into Thursday night, giving us a 60% chance of a wintry mix, including sleet, light freezing rain, and possibly some freezing drizzle. Temperatures fall to around 25 degrees, so any precipitation will freeze with contact. Roads, sidewalks, and bridges may quickly become slippery, so travel Thursday night into early Friday could be hazardous. Same with Friday. It begins with lingering freezing rain or icy patches, but warmer air aloft will work in, gradually turning the wintry mix into plain rain. However, temperatures at the surface may hover near freezing early, so icy spots will remain possible, especially north of Springfield. So you can expect a cold, cloudy day with periods of light rain and leftover slick surfaces in the morning. Friday night will get slightly colder with lows around 27 degrees and low clouds hang around. Any wet roads may freeze again overnight, creating another round of patchy ice. Again, be on the lookout for black ice, sleet, or any surfaces that can become wet to slippery. Here are some weather safety tips. The first thing you'll need to know to remember is to allow extra time. Wet or icy spots may form quickly, so leave a few minutes early to drive slower, especially on bridges and shaded roads. The second thing to remember is to keep essentials with you. Carry a jacket, gloves, and a charged phone. Small items make a big difference during cold, wet, or icy conditions. And lastly, you'll need to stay updated by checking the hourly forecasts and the weather radar through local media and weather apps. Conditions can change fast across the Ozarks, so be on the lookout for watches, warnings, and advisories for more information. Taking a look at the conditions on the radar, you can see some widespread light snow is drifting across the Ozarks on the east side. The greens and the blues show slightly heavier pockets, and that's what visibility may briefly drop. Roads may start getting slick as temperatures fall near or below freezing, and you can see in the picture here on the radar, and there's a better look at what the purple alert is blocking on the counties. That is a winter weather advisory. The winter weather advisory will be in effect until midnight tonight, and this includes all areas of Highway 65, Interstate 44, and Interstate 49. For areas north of Interstate 44, expect snow with accumulations up to 2 inches for areas along and south of Interstate 44. A wintry mix of snow, sleet, and slight freezing rain will be expected to result in snow accumulations of a dusting to 1 inch and ice accumulations around a light glaze. Thanks so much for sticking around to this week's weather forecast. I'm your weatherman Hicks. Stay cool out there and stay safe out there, Chiefs. Have a great rest of your week.